Good morning. And tomorrow will be the start of bakbakan. Midterms na bukas. Bilis, no? And gladly, tatlo lang yung iti-take namin. 2 bukas. Kaya hinahapit. Ano, yung hindi ka makamemorize, kapag ayaw ng utak mo, hindi ko alam kung tinatamad lang to. Wala pa akong 4%. Actually, dapat nga 3 bagsak. Nakatulog. Pinalay ko lang yung agad. Hindi talaga pala kape, pero ngayon, siguro adulting. Ang tabi ko lang din na-edit na vlog. Puro intro lang. Tigas na. Adjustment ko na ulit by Saturday. Sana may metallic tray na. Na-expect ko dito malambot at matigas pa. Ito yung need ko review. Chapter 2 pa lang yun. Ba't kasi pa sinusulat? Iba't iba pag sinusulat. Flexing my lashes. Kasi, first time ko matulog na naglagay ng lash. Matulog nang hinayaan yung lashes sa pili ko. Kasi wala naman yung mascara. Full lashes lang yan. Ayun na. Ganda na. Ayun dito. Ayaw ko nakaping sa Bantamis. Si Papa kasi nagtitimpla ng kape. Puro minsan. Ang dami kasukal. Ay, hindi pala. Tama ba? Hindi, madami yung kape kasi kasukal. Napait. Ganun din yung best friend ko na matalino. As in, super talino. Nasa UP siya ngayon. Tapos hindi pa kami mag-meet kahit biyahe lang naman yung pagitan. Ang sakit kasi tinadali yung wisdom tooth na tumutubo. Tapos may singaw pa ako dito. Bago tour na namin sa 12, April 12, 13, 14. Hindi pa akong susuotin. Hindi ko pa siya maasikaso eh. Paggawa na uli ako. Pakita ko sa inyo. So, yun. Ganyan ang ginagawa ko ngayon. At buong linggo. I feel like I have to share this one to you. And I am reading a book because I felt so a bit lazy. I can feel it, I can sense it in my body na parang tinatamad na naman ako. So I grab a book instead of consuming entertainment on my phone. So I grab my book, I read, and as I open the page that I left, this is the exact thing that I have to, that I am facing right now. The exact same thing that I am experiencing. So, sinabi, so nabasa ko, it's about letting go of the past. And that you cannot let go of it just by saying, I have to let go of this. It told me, the book states that you can only let go of something of the past if you let yourself feel it. If you let yourself acknowledge it. If you acknowledge that feeling, that past, and upon reading it, as I'm closer to the ending of that chapter, I can feel the tears bursting, and so I grab my phone and I feel like recording myself of what I'm feeling right now. It hits me really hard. Why? Because right now I feel, this past few weeks, I feel so happy. No, not so happy, maybe just I am feeling me. I am not the person I was a year ago. Kasi the past few months before the 2026 came, it's really tough. And I only open this to people I trusted nowadays. People who knows me now, the version of me now. So sila yung nakakaalam nito, and heartbreak. Something like that. Alam nila yan. So, talagang grabe yung torture nung past na yun. Parang every day, every week, every night, I've been crying. And no one knows about it here in our house. Parang wala talaga akong nakakaalam nito. So, I'm depressed. And talagang lumabas yun sa katawan ko nitong taong to. Nitong past month. Lumabas siya yung naging result ng stress. Na parang every day, every night, you are So, you are overthinking about them, about their actions, lahat ng bagay na overthink mo, and alam mo yun, yung grabe yung lungkot, grabe yung galit, grabe yung inis, disappointment ng mga time na yun, and pinipilit ko pa ng mga taong yun, ng mga buwan na yun na ilaban yung labanan yung nararamdaman ko na nagsasabi na enough na. But for me, it's still like, I still push, parang pinilit ko pa rin talaga. Kaya grabe yung impact niya. Pero ngayon, I feel like evolving. I feel like it's a version of me that I've been longing for. A version of me that I have to connect with. A version of me that is new, that is untouched yet, something na so powerful, and I have to connect with it, and I am connecting with it na. I can feel it. And a person, someone, so I don't know if hindi ko pa naman doon nakikwento, but someone has got my attention this past month, and she is a she, kasi I'm not straight. No one in family knows about it, but yeah, I'm telling you this. And this girl, this woman, I just found out because I'm so obsessed with her. Not the fact that it's kind of dangerous, it's like I admire her. That's why I'm so what's the term? I'm seated. I love knowing her. I love knowing her. Something like that. And nalaman ko na she's 24 or 25, if I'm not mistaken. She's 24 only. So, for me, parang kakagraduate lang niya. And, yeah, she is also in the same campus as mine. But she's not a professor. She's not an instructor. She's a non-teaching personnel. And, she's an engineer. She is smart for me. Upon researching about her, stalking her, but this is not dangerous. This is just a part of admiration, and I have no plan of being a threat to her. Parang hindi ko naman siya anuhin, just admiring her from afar. She doesn't know me, but I know her, but not entirely her. I haven't heard her voice from. Narinig ko yung voice niya na tong I'm so kilig na nag-interact kami for the first time. Yung interact na hindi niya alam na interaction na namin yun. Basta ganito lang yung namin, pagitan. And I heard her talk, but maybe about seconds only. And it feels so, sarap sa pakiramdam. Her presence enlightens me, parang super gaan. Tapos hinahanap-hanap ko palagi. And that person is the reason why I made this. Kasi without her, feeling ko parang babalik-balikan ko yung past. Yung pakiramdam ng tortured na yon, ng past na yon. I have no hate towards the past, but still, yeah, I acknowledge it because that's the reason why I am now here. I am now this one. Pero at the same time, I don't wanna go back to it. I don't wanna go back to the same situation I was once trapped. And so parang nagiging motivation ko na lang this person that I'm talking to you. I will not tell you her name, but let's just say my friend, the ones na kasama ko sa kadiluluhan ko, ang binigay niya nickname ay Rocky Lynn. So by that, if mapapanood to ng mga taong kilala ako sa campus, they will eventually know who am I talking about. So, but still, it's a secret, and I am just admiring her. And right now, she's in a relationship naman, and it's 1 month pa lang siguro. No, not 1 month. Nung December pa daw, sabi ng source ko. But, yeah, okay, I respect that. But my admiration will last as long as it wants. And I hope someday, I hope talaga, na magkaroon kami ng interaction na personally magkausap kami and makapag-picture ako sa kanya, and I'm preparing myself. I always make sure na I look so pretty in school and the campus. So, dala-dala ko yung phone ko para anytime na there's an opportunity to take a picture with her, or there's an opportunity na mag-collide ulit yung landas namin, I will grab that opportunity. I know there's a reason why this person came into my life. Para bang... Pero I really love her. In a way na, in a respectable way. I just love her. Oh my gosh, look. And I love my lashes too. I just love her. I love her. Time check. 11 a.m. Ang na-review ko na, ay madami na akong na-review. May isa pa akong re-reviewin and isang paggagawa ng reviewer. So yeah. Sing na ba? Nice.